Here we're unboxing the Enobot Ebo SE. As you can see, it's just here. And it looks like a cute little robot as well. I love the packaging here and a bit more about what it comes with, remote control, security recording. We'll go through that shortly and a bit more information on the back of the box just there. So let's go and take a look at it, a bit more detail. So this is a very good security camera you can use around home. It's remote, so you can remove it yourself. Two-way microphones and stuff like that. So start with, there's the instruction booklet, a bit more about how to set it up as well. You can see detailed. I also like how they've got images there as well, which actually shows you visually how to do it and a bit more some of the tips there. So let's put that box to the side. So let's go and have a look. So start with, here's the actual robot itself. Now, isn't that cute? So there's a camera at the front. It's got a 1080 pixel camera on it. Yeah, it does 2 channels, obviously Wi-Fi. It weighs 280 grams as well, so it's not that heavy. And this is IP65 as well, so it's water and dust proof. It's also got night mode on there as well. That uses motion for alerts. Let's go and take a look at what it'll cover. So there's the docking station as well. And you've got the charger there too. It plugs in obviously to the wall to charge it. So I'm going to move the box to the side. Let's focus now on the actual robot. So what it finishes using, the actual robot itself docks into here, like that, which is cool. Now it uses 2-way microphones, which I think is very, very cool. So it also supports multi-users through the Ebo SE pet camera. So you better play with your kids and pets using this, and you can run up and talk to them. So Ebo's eyes, movements, and sounds mimic real-life play. So basically keeps people around you engaged if you want to use it with kids or people around there. It's also got collision sensors on there, which makes sure it doesn't run into different things. It can also apparently detect all sorts of, obstacles and stuff around it. It works on wheels, as you can see there, little pet things on the wheels just there. It's very, very nice. Now you can store all the data on the expandable card, which is just here. But you can also watch it obviously through the Ebo app as well. So the great thing with this, it also self-charges. So when it's finished working, it actually goes back to the charging bay itself and charges. And it's got night vision built in, remote control, security recording, and you can also take photos and videos of it. A very nice device. And there is the introduction to the Enobot Ebo SE robot. A really cute little robot, don't you guys think?